Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a booklet in Canva. All right, let's begin. First, open Canva and sign into your account. On the homepage, click Create a Design and search for Booklet. Select the Booklet option to open a blank design with the correct page size. Next, browse through Canva's booklet templates and choose one that matches your project. Whether you're creating a business brochure, school booklet, portfolio, or photo book, starting with a template will save you a lot of time. Now, customize the template by replacing the placeholder text with your own content. Upload your own images, or choose graphics from Canva's library. You can also change the fonts, colors, and layouts to match your personal style or brand. Before exporting, review every page to make sure the text, images, and layout look exactly the way you want. Once you're satisfied, click Share, then Download, and choose PDF for the highest quality of your booklet. You can also select another file format if you're sharing it digitally. So that's basically how you can make a booklet in Canva. That's it for this video. Thanks.